Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Missy, and today we are going with a classic and beautiful full glam smoky eye. So grab your brushes and let's get started. Let's start with the brows. I'm using a spoolie to brush out my brows, and I'm going to go ahead to use soap and set my brow in place. I'm going in with some powder to mattify my eyebrow. I'm using a brown pencil to fill in my brows, following the natural shape. I'm going in with a Fit Me concealer to clean my brows. I'm going to be cleaning just the lower part of my brows. Going in with a small fluffy brush to blend any excess concealer on my eyelid. I'm priming my lid with a concealer to even out the color and keep my shadows vibrant and crease-free. Now I'm going to go ahead with a pressed powder to set in that concealer. This just helps the shadow to blend better. Next on, we are going to be using our Nyx Beauty palette, and we are going to be going with the shade Choco as our transition shade. I'm going to go ahead to work that into the crease with a fluffy blending brush. Now I'm going in with a deeper brown to build some dimension. I'm placing it right in the crease. I'm going to go ahead to apply the shade bronze on my lid, and I'll just be packing that on the lid and not extending it to the crease. And here comes the drama. I'm packing the matte black eyeshadow in the shade Smoke onto the lid, and I'm keeping it below the crease. Using a dense brush to pat the shadow onto my eyelid and blending the edges into that dark brown. This is key to getting that smooth, smoked out effect. Next on, we are going to move on to skin. I'm applying primer to smooth out my skin and help the makeup last all day. I'm going in with my fingers to blend everything out smoothly. I'm going ahead to apply the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter to give my base this glow. Using a dense foundation brush to blend it out into my skin. Next on, I'm applying foundation to even out my skin tone. Using a brush to blend out my foundation for that seamless and smooth finish. And when you're picking your foundation shade, it's important to pick a shade that matches your neck for the most seamless match. For bronzer, we are going to be going in with the Juvia's Place Cream Bronzer to warm up the cheekbones, the jawline and forehead. Going in with a brush to blend all of that out for a seamless and smooth finish. Due to laziness, I am using this big brush to blend out the contour on my nose. Please don't do this. It's important to use a small brush to blend out your nose contour. I'm applying a pop of blush on the apples of my cheeks and blending it slightly upward to give it that lifted effect. Next, I'm going to go ahead to brighten under the eyes with a concealer. You can also apply this concealer on the bridge of your nose, your chin, and your forehead. After letting this concealer sit for a while, we are going to go ahead to blend it all out. Using a dense fluffy brush to blend out the concealer for a smooth and seamless finish. I'm starting from the inner corner to the outer. Blending is key to a smooth and flawless base, so we just keep blending. At this point, our base is already looking so smooth and seamless, and I love it. So we are going to move on to applying our setting powder. Applying the setting powder under the eyes and to my T-zones. This keeps everything smooth and matte where you need it. I'm going in with a brightening powder to brighten and sharpen my under eye. I'm going in with some powder to set the rest of my face. If you have watched this video up to this point, I want to say thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment, and let me know if you found this video helpful. Next on, we are applying some powder bronzer to set our cream bronzer in place. Next on, I'm going in with a gel liner to line my waterline. Applying some lashes to complete the look and defining my lash line. Applying some eyeshadow to my under eye. Going in with mascara to blend my false lashes and natural lashes together. And I'm going to be also applying some mascara to my lower lashes. Using the leftover powder on the powder puffs to just apply on the bridge of my nose. Using a big fluffy brush to just blend out any harsh lines. For lips, I'm going to go ahead to line my lips with a brown matte lip stick. And I'm going to go ahead to fill it in with this nude pink lipstick. Applying some nude pink gloss to the middle part of my lips. And last steps, applying setting spray to keep your makeup together and looking fresh all day. Now for that glow, I'm sweeping highlighter on the tops of my cheekbones. Lining my lips with some brown lip gloss to finish my entire look. And that's a full smoky eye glam. What do you think? If you loved this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Comment below what look you wanna see next, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Bye.